Hey guys, so as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you all today how I refresh my second and third day curls. I sleep with my hair in a high pony just to preserve the curls and not end up with a frizzy mess when I wake up. So right now I'm carefully taking down my hair so that way I don't put any stress on it. So now what I'm going to grab first is my water. This is really basically all you need. I already have product in my hair. I don't want to put too much product in it, but first I'm going to start out by dividing my hair in two halves and then proceed with spraying the water. I mostly focus just on the curls you're actually going to see, which is like the top layer. I don't really bother the bottom layer all like that, but I do want my hair mostly damp, if that makes sense. Beauty and Planet Shea Butter and Sandalwood Conditioner. This is actual conditioner that I use in the shower. I'm halfway out of it. It works really well. And the reason why I'm using like an actual conditioner that you use in the shower is because this stuff is really light. It's not super thick and it doesn't weigh down my hair. So I spread that all throughout my hands and then just sort of flatten out my curls, and then I scrunch right after to really work the product in. Hair look and how it really defines my curls. So I'm basically doing the same thing as I did with the other conditioner. Because it's super cold out, I want as much moisture as I can. As it is so thick, you can kind of still see the product in my hair, so that's why I'm going back in with the water just to have it like thin out a bit and work it more into my hair. And at this point, I will actually squeeze it. And yeah, oh, my hair dryer is in the back because this is where I actually diffuse my hair, but I will be showing that in a different video. I'm actually going in with the leave-in conditioner again from Shea Moisture just to smooth down the frizz that I have at the top of my hair. I can't tell if that's breakage or new growth, but this is what my hair looks like after refreshing them. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and check out my other videos, and I will see you again next time. Bye.